name is Rupali. I'm based out of Bangalore. I'm working in a nutrition area quite some time now, 6 to 7 years now. And I'm a mother of 2 kids and very excited to get connected with NEFNA. Actually, मैंने Facebook पे ad देखा था आपका और फिर some of my friends, from them also I came to know. They joined the course before me and then I had a discussion with them and I came to know from them. Actually, I have done a personal trainer course and a nutrition course also. I have done 2 courses. I like the faculties of both the course, Vinit sir and Alan sir. I like the interaction part, or the main thing which I like is it is on scientific evidence. No, it is not just theoretical knowledge what I have got it. As it was online, but still there was practical classes were available with the tutors. Main thing was they didn't taught the theory, they just executed what they are teaching. Believe me, I'll just tell you my favorite thing was shoot me a question. so I mean half of our class used to go for the doubts and clarification, and both the faculties they never ignored any of our questions, small queries, and we were also fearless to ask so many questions. So after the class, Vinit sir was like, shoot me a question, and we were just all the class used to be waiting for that, without any becoming judgmental. They have helped us a lot, and I can say the allowance for us to ask the question was the amazing thing, and I appreciate the patience of both the faculties who were teaching, Alan sir and Vinit sir. So that part I like the most. Definitely, and I'm thankful to NEFNA about this. मैं बिल्कुल बोल सकती हूँ कि मेरा सेल्फ इमेज बढ़ी, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा, और डेफिनेटली क्लाइंट्स तो पहले से मैं हैंडल कर रही थी, बट मैं ये ऐसा बोल सकती हूँ कि अंदर से मुझे आई एम फीलिंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट आई विल बी हेल्पिंग पीपल मोर एफिशिएंटली. तो डेफिनेटली फर्क तो है बिफोर एंड आफ्टर में. See, actually, what I think is learning is the lifetime process. I mean, somebody has done any course, it doesn't mean that we are knowledgeable throughout. And fitness and nutrition is such a huge subject, and you are working on a field, so you are going to get questions. And this lifetime access of WhatsApp group, I can say it is very important for people like us, because sometimes when we deal with clients, maybe one case you are going to handle it for first time, so you may have your question. So it is very, very important that we have somebody from them we have learned, and we can ask them questions, and they are so efficient in their subject that we can just get help anytime. And definitely it is a very good thing that we have got this access, and I'm very happy for it. It is definitely helpful, like whatever classes we have attended, any time after that you have the access due to that app, and you can go for it. If you want to have the class again, you can go for it, and they are updating so many other information, like good recipes for the client, and which I like, and it is very useful. Yes. डेफिनेटली कभी जैसे हम फेसबुक पे ऐड देखते हैं, ये सारे उन्हीं लोगों के लिए है. दे आर इनटू मेकिंग द डिसीजन, और सोच रहे हैं, या फिर दे आर थिंकिंग मोर, और टाइम ले रहे हैं कुछ. तो इवन आई वाज इन दैट स्टेज, एंड आफ्टर कमिंग टू NEFNA I found it is so much value added in my profession because of NEFNA. And without wasting time, whether you are working in this area before or you are a fresher, anything is fine. Definitely you should go for the courses, and you will get connected to amazing set of people, which I like the most. And without thinking, just grab the opportunity, whatever courses NEFNA is offering. So don't waste time, and just do it. Go for it.